Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So today I'm going to describe select statement. What select statement actually is? It's basically SQL command that you are going to use in order to pull your data out of a database, and how you actually can do that, how to use that command. I'm going to use this database from our previous episode, and here we have table items, and how to take all of this data, how to read all of this data using SQL statement. So only thing that you have to do is to type select asterisk from item, and if I execute this code, you see we are going to get all of this data. So what this command actually contains: select statement. You have to use this command in order to utilize this statement. Asterisk simply means all. So in this way I'm going to take everything from and table name. So in order to take one column, we are going to provide just column name, item name. If I execute this code, you see we have only item name. How to get two columns or three columns? We are going to type comma and then name of other table, units, and run this code. You see now we have item name and units. And there is so much more about this select statement, but that is something that we are going to discuss in upcoming episodes. So this is all for now. Take care and see you around.